Want to make some cool videos without all the hassle? It's super easy to create these amazing videos way faster than before. No need to write scripts, record yourself, do voiceovers, or shell out for pricey tools. Just imagine 10 times quicker and way less work. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Check this out, ProClip AI Studio, a cool new app that's totally changing the game for making awesome faceless videos. No more messing around with scripts, cameras, or complicated software. You can whip up some killer content in just a minute. So here's the deal. This AI-powered tool cranks out stunning 4K videos for any niche or language you want. It's packed with some seriously cool features that make it stand out from the crowd. You can create eye-catching graphics, add auto subtitles to grab more attention, and even get AI to write engaging scripts for you. Plus, it'll give you human-like voiceovers and help drive free traffic to your videos. Pretty sweet, right? The best part? Anyone can use it, even if you've never made a video before. It's super easy. 1. Log into ProClip AI Studio. 2. Type in what you want your video to be about. 3. Boom, your video is ready to go. You can share on YouTube, Instagram, or wherever you want. No copyright worries. And hey, if you're feeling ambitious, there's even a commercial license included so you can offer video services to others. So why waste time on complicated video production when you can make amazing faceless videos in no time? Give it a shot and see how it boosts your engagement and helps you crush the competition. Want to see how simple and effective ProClip AI Studio is? Just hit the link below and check it out for yourself. Trust me, you won't regret it.